Tonight we're going to be having a bacon cheeseburger for supper, and I can't wait to bite into it. It sure does look good. Hey everyone, this is Calvin and Marie with Southern Country Living. We just want to show you what we're having for supper tonight. The heat outside is just a little bit too hot to be grilling outside. So tonight we're going to be cooking our hamburgers inside on the stove. We're going to be using sesame seed buns, and we like to put mayonnaise on our buns first before we put the hamburger on it. I also like to have cheese on mine, so I put a good serving of cheddar cheese. The hamburgers are done now, so go ahead and put the hamburger meat on here. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper on here first. And then I like to add just a little bit of steak sauce to my burger. Next, I'm going to be going ahead and adding 2 strips of bacon that we just got through cooking. It's still nice and hot. That's really looking good now. I'm going to put a slice of tomato on here that came out of our garden. We just picked it. And I'm going to also be adding a little bit of lettuce to the top of mine. This is how I like my burger. And this one's really looking good. Let me cut in half here and show you how it's looking. Oh, that is looking fantastic. I can't wait to bite into this. It really looks yummy. I'm going to be serving it with some potato chips. I hope everyone enjoyed watching this video. Marie and I both appreciate all of our subscribers. Y'all have a great day, and we will see you on our next video.